Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. That's exactly what happened to Charles Osborne, who holds the world record for the longest hiccup bout, from 1922 to 1990. This extraordinary case began when Osborne was attempting to weigh a hog on his farm, resulting in a mysterious diaphragm injury that left him hiccuping up to 40 times per minute. Despite numerous medical consultations, no remedy could cure his persistent spasms. Remarkably, Osborne managed to lead a productive life, marrying twice and fathering 8 children, all while battling this involuntary affliction. His hiccups finally ceased mysteriously about a year before his death, leaving doctors baffled and Osborne relieved. This peculiar story is a testament to human endurance and the mysteries of the human body, capturing the imagination with its sheer oddity and inspiring resilience.